got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys on the block.
Kelly Lynn Barton, 23R 513503. He's gonna need to fill out a petition for one too, for a court appointed, Lisa. Your name, ma'am?
Kelly Lynn Barton.
Michael A. Carmen, 37324, on behalf of the defendant.
All right, how's she going to proceed?
She will plead guilty, and then just I'll give an explanation of what my client indicates happened.
I'm gonna need Jessica in here. Will you call her, please? If you plead guilty here, I want you to understand this is this would be your 7th technical violation. You could get 93 days in jail with credit for any time served. You understand that? Did you sign an advice of rights form today? You're presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty by preponderance. You have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers to court, to bring in those witnesses. You have the right at a trial to testify or remain silent, or at a hearing. If you remain silent, that silence would not be held against you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The charge that you fail to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive for amphetamines on a chemical test on May 19 of 25. How do you plead?
I'm guilty.
I'm sorry? Did you consume amphetamines?
Not knowingly, no.
Did you consume amphetamines?
I took my daughter's medication by accident. I did not know I consumed anything except my medication, I thought.
I'm just asking you, did you consume amphetamines?
Unfortunately, yes. Like the worst day ever.
You're not gonna tell me you didn't knowingly consume amphetamines, are you?
Yeah, I did. I had no idea about it. I'm bipolar. She has ADHD. We don't keep.
How old
her.
is she?
She's gonna be 14 next month.
Where does she keep her medication at?
She usually keeps them in the bathroom. She was packing to go to her friend's house for Comic-Con that weekend, so she brought everything in the treasure.
What did you think you were taking?
I thought I was taking my Paxil.
What were the other drugs she's been using? Wasn't some of these, I don't know, I'm gonna check. My
Tested positive for amphetamines in the past and methamphetamines. She
Yeah, I mean,
tested
I don't
positive for
know.
alcohol.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No.
You consume those, you consume those intentionally though, correct? I understand you're trying to tell me, hang on, please. Hang on, please. You consumed drugs. I know you're telling me that you thought they were your daughters, right?
No, I thought they were mine.
I'm sorry. You thought they were yours,
I have anxiety, sir. I
ma'am.
don't take anything like that. I have a very, very bad anxiety. I don't take anything like that. It would be the worst thing I could take. I went to work that day. I didn't know what I had taken.
All right. Has anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No.
How many times has she pled guilty to consuming meth or amphetamines?
Including this time, I would say this is the 3rd time.
So what were the other two?
Well, let's see, she pled guilty on April 1st for amphetamines. She pled guilty on June 10th of 2024 for amphetamines. She pled guilty July of 24 for amphetamines. September 12th of 24, she pled guilty for alcohol. Alcohol again in November of 24, and then alcohol in the most recent one, which was March 13th of 25, Your Honor.
I have a problem with alcohol. I don't-
We got a problem with other drugs too.
No, I don't do drugs. I never have been a drug addict.
Did I mishear you? Say that again. Anything relating to the drugs?
We have tested positive for violations for amphetamines on April 1st of 24, June 10th of 24, July 16th of 24, and then the most recent one, Your Honor. So that's 4 times, I believe.
I can't remember what happened in those.
Wait a minute. Did Did you accidentally take the amphetamines on those days?
I do vaguely recall an excuse on one of her other violations regarding taking something she didn't believe was that. I can't recall specifically if that was it, but it does sound like a familiar story I've heard before from a violation with Kelly in the past.
All right. At a minimum, you're responsible for not ingesting or consuming something that you cannot consume. Okay? That you're ordered not to consume.
I haven't been taking any medications at all, because this can't happen.
Ma'am. Then why'd you take that medication?
I
Ma'am,
at the time I was on my medication.
ma'am, you keep interrupting.
I'm sorry.
You said you haven't been taking any medications.
Not something else.
When's the last time you took a medication then, other than accidentally taking this amphetamine back on May the 19th?
I stopped taking my medication last month.
Well, that's subsequent to May 19th, right?
No.
It's after May 19th, right? May 19th was 2 months ago.
Yeah, I stopped taking it last month because.
I know, so that was after you tested on this one.
Yeah,
after you
so
took-
that way it wouldn't happen again. I can't have that happening.
What, do you go up to just pill bottles and start taking
No,
them? I mean, come on. I've heard enough of this.
no, I understand.
I can't get you straight. I don't know who you're kidding. I'm gonna accept the plea. You're responsible for knowing what's going inside of your body. I don't know what to do with you anymore, Ms. Barton. Mr. Kerman, what would you like to say?
I really, just that this was over 2 months ago, no subsequent violation allegations since then. I think she has been making a concerted effort. With a bipolar condition, I believe, how medication affects that, I think is definitely a factor here.
I'm shocked. I've only sent her to, am I right that I've only sent her to jail once for 3 days?
You sent her to jail twice, once for 3 days and then the other time for 3 days.
Any thoughts?
I feel like we've gone around and around with Kelly. She'll do well for a while and then we have some issues again. Since the warrant was called, she wasn't warrant status. She did continue testing. She's tested June 4th negative, June 16th she was negative, July 7th she was negative. She's set to be discharged September 7th of this year, Your Honor. Only thing left for her is the money. Everything else she's done that was ordered, community service, court work program, she's completed.
How much does she owe?
Abuse, $240, I believe, when I looked this morning, and she's paid since then.
I don't get paid this weekend.
You what?
240.
I get paid this weekend.
We haven't done too well for you. Either that or you haven't tried hard enough, maybe a combination thereof. I mean, come on. I don't understand why you're looking me in the eye and telling me these things. I mean, please. I'm gonna go a lot easier when people are honest with me. I don't like people lying to me. This is not, you're not pulling one over me. You can insist you accidentally took this. You didn't accidentally take this. You didn't. I don't know why you stand there and tell me this. I mean, I feel sorry for you. You got an addiction. I guess we should have got her in this. Did we try to get her in the sobriety court or anything?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Yeah, it's our fault. Can I see the screening?
Yes, Your Honor.
I mean, you seem like a very nice lady. Yeah, I mean, there were just not enough red flags at the time, but it's become apparent over time that she's got a serious problem. She scored a category 2 on the alcohol and 3 on the drug use. It's not exactly like this was screaming sobriety court. No, she had no established criminal history. She had a .172 on the breathalyzer, blood draw.
Judge, and she was ordered the alcohol education class originally. After her violations, you did order her to then do IOP. So she didn't even score high enough originally for treatment. It was later that you amended it for treatment.
Your Honor, in lieu of jail, would you consider ordering further treatment? You push out probation a little bit and see how she does?
We can't, I don't think. When did I place her on probation? Oh, February 24. Did you attend treatment? Where are we with that?
She completed treatment, Your Honor.
I believe the balance is 280 now.
I show a balance of 240, Judge.
Okay, maybe there's another payment that isn't reflected on the ROA. Because you can't pay that today, right?
I can pay this weekend. I can pay it Monday.
I don't know what else to tell you. I'm not gonna have probation keep chasing you. I'm gonna keep you on probation. I'm not extending probation. You're to serve 7 days or 10 days jail forthwith. Good luck. Have a seat, ma'am. I've tried everything I can with you. You're not helping us help you. There's nothing I can do anymore. I'm sorry. Good luck.